My dear children, in this module we are going to discuss more about EQ join only. EQ join, the join in which columns are compared for equality, is called EQ join. Whereas in Cartesian product we didn't check any equality among the columns. A non-EQ join specifies condition with a non-equality operator only. In EQ join we put star in the select list. Therefore, the common column will appear twice in the output. To understand the output, let us take two tables, one for employee and another for department. Contain the department number and other department details. The employee table will contain the employee details along with the department number. Consider two tables, that is employee and department. In employee table, we will have the details of employee like e-name, EMPNO, that is employee number, employee name, and department code only they had given like 10, 20, 30, then salary of each employees. Then in the department table, we had the details of the department like department number, department name and head of the department, that is D head. Now, we want to fetch details of employee along with its corresponding matching department. So, while we are selecting the employee details only from employee table, we will get the department number only. But what is the actual question happens here? We want to fetch the details of employee along with its corresponding department details. For example, Bhaskar is working on the department 30. So 30 is nothing but production. And whose head, that is department head, is Abu Zair. Like that we need the details. So that we need to concatenate or we need to join two tables using EQ join. So my dear children, what is the common column here? Department number, DEPT-NO. In employee table we are having department number as well as in department we are having department number. Let me give one more information. Here department number is the primary key column of department table. That details or that values are fetched into employee. So department table is the master table and employee table is the child table. Why? Because in employee table department is a foreign key whose values are fetched from the primary key column of department table. My dear children, I will repeat. Here department is the master table, employee is the child table. Why? Because in employee table department number is fetched from the primary key column of department table. So as a result, so if we are giving a query like EQ join, using EQ join, for that we need to give the comparison for common column, that is select star from EMP, DEPT, where EMP dot DEPT-NO is equal to DEPT dot DEPT-NO. This is the query or this is the equality we are checking with the common columns which is available in both of the table. So as we said earlier, if we are giving select a star, so department number will be displayed twice. The common column appears twice in the output. Why? Because we had given only star. Select all from the table. So how we are separating the table? Only by using the comma symbol, EMP comma DEPT. How we are getting the column which are corresponding to each and every table? By using a dot operator. EMP dot DEPT-NO is equal to DEPT-NO dot. So which is the operator which is used for collecting the column? Dot operator. We can also give table alias for table name as we did column alias. The only thing we need to give a space. So look at the query given, select a star from EMP E, where E is the alias name for employee table and D is the alias name for department table. This is helpful when table name is of big length. We can use or we can shorten the query by giving the alias name. So here look at where clause. Where E dot department, because E represents what? EMP. D dot DEPT. Here D represents DEPT. So E is the alias name for employee and D is the alias name for DEPT table. Like that also we can give. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how EQ join works. In upcoming module, we will more discussions happens in natural join also. Thank you.